Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Wig Fever once again. This is the packaging. Let's get into what we got today. Firstly, I'm seeing the wig, and we're gonna get into that in a few. I got a information card which is branded Wig Fever. You know, it has our social media and all that stuff. Then I got a bonnet which is branded, and that's it for all the goodies inside. So let's get into the wig of the day. So this is Wig Fever's M Cap Kinky Straight 9x6 wear and go glueless bleached tiny knots pre-cut lace closure and pre-plucked human hair wig. All right, so as I say, it's like kinky straight texture, is so fluffy. This is a perfect texture and wig to create a like 90s hairstyle with, and that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm so excited to jump into that. But this wig is like, everything is done for you already. It's pre everything, you guys know the vibe, so it's perfect for my beginners. Okay, this is how the inside of the cap construction looks. It has, you know, bleached knots. As I said, it has a elastic band that's adjustable. It has this the C curve ear portion, because this helps to, you know, make the wig cap sit more comfortably around your ear portion. The combs inside the cap are removable, and you know, these are great for security. And it's 3 of them, 1 in the back and 2 at the sides. It's a medium cap, by the way. This is perfectly constructed. I absolutely love it, and this is 22 inches long as well. So yeah, really gorgeous. A 1B color, and it's very full, very full. Like, look at that, so gorgeous. So now I'm just gonna go in and do a very easy, quick glueless install with this, and we're gonna do a quick, cute, like 90s inspired hairstyle. So let's get into it. So that's how it looks once I slip it on. Super easy. Like, that is gorgeous. Now it's just a teeny bit of cast, so nothing a little powder can fix. So I'm gonna go in with my powder, but I love the volume on this wig. It's nice and soft as well. Like, it feels really good. I'm gonna do like some subtle like waves on it. Before I get into this quick and easy style, let me go ahead and show you guys how much space it is that we're working with. So, you know, you could do a center part, as you can see, because that's how it came. And you could go ahead, you could do like a mid half up, half down vibe, like a little ponytail. And because it's bleached so nicely, it's giving scalp. It is definitely giving scalp. So you can part this thoroughly throughout the lace portion, and it will look so good. I'm gonna do a side part. I'm gonna get my wax stick and get this nice and laid. And that looks so good. That looks so good. Like, what? It's giving growing from my scalp. Like, this is so pretty. You could go ahead and straighten this, by the way, but because I always give you guys like, you know, that vibe, today I'm gonna do like nice loose waves with it. So I'm gonna get my curling iron. I'm gonna see what it's giving, but so far I'm loving it. It is looking so good. So I'm just gonna take tiny pieces because you know this hair is very full, so you want to get it really nice and, you know, really nice and curled properly. That these curls, I just feel like they're more fluffy than the average, you know, like silky body wave texture because of the kinkiness. So that for one, it just give it that like 90s feel for sure, and it looks like that blowout vibe, you know. Look at that, that's so fluffy and gorgeous. So you don't, like with this, you don't want it to be too flat. Like you definitely want that like voluminous look to things, and it is, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I don't want to, you know, but you see, just like how this texture straightens well, it curls well as well. Like, oh my gosh, this is so big and beautiful. Like, I love this. I love this. Let me know what you guys think. And the fact that this is completely glueless, I know how convenient you guys are gonna find this. I was just holding up that side because I wanted the curl to cool, but oh wow, wow, the movement, the body, the naturalness of it all is definitely giving Wig Fever. Y'all did it. 10 out of 10 recommend this. It's minimal shedding, by the way. It's really soft, as I said before. It's natural. It gives natural, you know, it gives your hair like your fresh blowout. Like, I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. But yeah, that's it. That is it. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. They know what they were doing. Oh my gosh, yes, definitely the vibe I was going for. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. All the specifications will be listed. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.